The Trump tariff equation explained. Scene 1 intro. Host on camera. In front of a whiteboard or digital graphic, on screen text, the Trump tariff equation. Host to camera. Ever wonder how tariffs actually work and who really pays for them? Today we're breaking down what I call the Trump tariff equation. Let's go. Scene 2. Simple animation. Container ship unloading goods labeled imports. Voiceover. Host. A tariff is a tax on goods coming into the country. The goal? Make foreign products more expensive, so people buy American-made stuff instead. Scene 3. Whiteboard animation. Equation appears. On screen text. Tariff cost equals tariff percent X value of imported goods. Host VO. Here's the basic equation. Tariff cost equals tariff percentage, X value of imported goods. So if the US slaps a 25% tariff on 1 million of Chinese steel. Scene 4. Calculator, graphic animates numbers. On screen text, 25% of $1,000 equals $50,000 host, VO. That's $250,000 in added costs. But who pays for that? Scene 5. Graphic. Arrow pointing to American company. Host. VO. Not China. It's the American company that pays when they import the steel. Scene 6. Graphic. Prices rising on cars, cans, construction. On-screen text. Consumer prices rise host. VO. And then they pass that cost on to you, which means higher prices on cars, appliances, and more. Scene 7. Updated equation on screen. On-screen text, consumer price increase, X tariff percent, X, import value, units sold host, VO. So we adjust the equation. If you divide the added cost across the number of units sold, you get the consumer price increase. Scene 8. Split screen. Trump speech clip. Optional B-roll. vs American factory footage. Host, VO. President Trump used tariffs to pressure countries like China, boost American factories, and shrink the trade deficit. Scene 9. Animated retaliation. China raises tariffs on US goods. On-screen text. Trade war begins host. VO. But other countries hit back. China, for example, raised tariffs on US farm products, hurting American farmers. Scene 10. Price tags going up. Washing machine example. On-screen text. Washing machines. Plots 12% host. VO. Washing machines got hit with tariffs, so prices jumped 12%. That's money out of your pocket. Scene 11. Scale balancing protection versus cost. Host. VO. So here's the deal. Tariffs can protect American jobs, but they also raise costs for consumers and risk trade wars. Scene 12. Summary screen. Full equation and outcome. On-screen text. Tariff, import tax, higher costs. You pay more plus possible trade war. Retaliation on US exports host to camera. That's the Trump tariff equation in action. It's not just numbers. It's about how policy affects your wallet. Scene 3. Outro. Host to camera. Host. Thanks for watching. Got questions about tariffs or trade? Drop a comment. And if you liked this breakdown, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time on screen text. Like, comment, subscribe, #Econ Explained, #Tariffs, #Trump Trade.